I'm Alan Bresnick of Light Reading. I'm at our Future of Cable Business Services event in New York, and I'm speaking to Torryon Coleman from WOW. Hi, Torryon.
Hi, Alan.
So, WOW, before all the bigger MSOs, has actually deployed virtualized distributed access architecture in a couple of your systems, a couple of your markets, and is using it for business services. So, can you tell us more about what you're doing?
Yeah, so it's been a long journey in developing and maturing the product to ensure it was ready for consumption.
Right.
And we started out with a couple of field trials. This goes back 18 months or so.
Right.
And then as we saw the product mature and get better, and then add more features, we just tightened the partnership and felt like we were ready to launch. Mm-hmm. So this year we deployed a couple of nodes and more. It'll be a greenfield strategy for 2018.
Right, and you've done Cleveland and Chicago so far, I believe?
Those are the two incubation markets.
Right.
And then we're targeting more greenfield next year.
Right, so like 5-6 more markets next year?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what kinds of gains do you expect to see from doing this?
So it's really a very rich, robust opportunity as an architecture, right? So we're looking at optimizing facilities, optimizing transport, optimizing CMTS, and also taking advantage of scaling opportunities with the platform.
Okay. How will you measure that in terms of, will it be in terms of energy savings, efficiency savings, or
well, we think there's some
capital savings?
Yeah, we think there's some actual opportunities to collapse some of our facilities in alignment with how the architecture works, that we can actually maybe go from a, half the footprint of that market with how we distribute our CMTS or access network.
So how have you guys managed to do this when Comcast, Charter, and Cox and all the bigger guys haven't been able to do it yet?
I think it's an area of focus, so it was purposeful. So like I said, many years of partnership and developing, it became a priority, right? So as the cost or the economics around scaling the DOCSIS network occurred, we felt like that would be the catalyst to move into a new architecture, a new scaling model, a new cost model. So it was just a priority for us and an area of focus.
You're looking to do it in the greenfield markets. Do you think you'll be able to do it in brownfield as well?
Well, I think that's where we need to get more mature at understanding the model, right? The scaling model, the economics around it. So we think it's a dual strategy where we feel a little more comfortable going down the greenfield path, where there's some more learnings and better understanding around how do you scale on distributed access architecture versus a traditional CMTS.
So a year from now, what will we be looking at, do you think?
I think it may be 20 to 30% penetration of distributed access architecture.
Okay. Interesting. Well, we'll have you back in a year and take a look at it.
Yeah. All right.